Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable no-sew tea bag bookmarks. They're quick, easy, and beginner friendly, so let's get started. First, cut your main fabric piece for the tea bag body 6 inches long by 2.5 inches wide, and another piece 2.5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide for the tea bag tag. Now grab your SpeedSew fabric glue, and with your fabric facing upright, apply glue along both sides. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise and apply pressure. Next, on the small piece of fabric, apply glue along the side and across the top edge. Once they're dry, carefully turn both pieces right side out. You can use a pencil to gently push out the corners. Now let's form the tea bag shape. On the open end of the larger piece, press the corners inwards to create a triangle. Open that triangle, fold the tips inwards on both sides, then fold everything back together to create the classic tea bag top. Now cut a piece of twine about 5 to 7 inches long, carefully fold down one side of the top flap, apply glue, and then pin it to stay in place. Then open the other side and place the twine in the center, then apply glue to secure it. Next, take the smaller piece of fabric, which will be your tag, and fold in the raw edges on all sides. Then insert the other end of the twine, press it down firmly, and pin it in place. Then let it dry for about 10 minutes. And just like that, you've made an adorable no-sew tea bag bookmark. You can mix and match the fabrics and adjust the length of the twine to make each one your own. Thanks for watching!